Hello English learner, welcome to Learn Master English channel, a channel for learning Master English fast and efficient. In this video we will learn how to speak English naturally and confidently. Speaking English naturally and confidently takes practice, but here are some key strategies to help you improve. 1. Listen and imitate. Listen and imitate. Here's a deeper dive into how this strategy works and why it's so effective. Why it works.
Natural rhythm and intonation. By listening to native speakers, you become familiar with the natural flow, rhythm, and tone of English.
Accurate pronunciation. Imitating the sounds you hear helps you mimic the correct pronunciation and accent nuances. Real-life language use. You get exposed to informal expressions, idioms, and the way language is used in everyday situations. How to practice listening and imitating. Choose authentic materials. Movies and TV shows. Pick shows or movies that interest you. Focus on characters whose speech you find clear and natural. Podcasts and YouTube videos. Find channels with conversational English. This can include interviews, travel vlogs, or language learning channels. Active listening. Focus on details. Don't just listen for the meaning. Pay attention to how words are pronounced, the emphasis on certain syllables, and the melody of sentences. Repeat and pause. Play a short segment, pause, and try to repeat what you heard. This helps solidify the pronunciation and rhythm in your memory. Shadowing technique. What is it? Shadowing involves listening to a native speaker and trying to speak along with them in real time. How to do it. Start with slower, simpler dialogues. As you become more comfortable, increase the difficulty. This technique improves fluency and mimics natural speech patterns. Record and compare. Self-recording. Record yourself speaking the same phrases or sentences. Compare. Listen to both recordings side by side. Identify differences in pronunciation, intonation, and pacing, then adjust accordingly. Regular practice.
Daily routine. Incorporate listening and imitation into your daily study routine.
Even 10-15 minutes a day can lead to significant improvements over time. Slow down the audio. Many media players allow you to slow down the audio. This can help you catch every detail of pronunciation and intonation when you're just starting. Use transcripts. If available, use transcripts to follow along. This reinforces the connection between how words look and how they sound. Be patient. It takes time to adjust your ear and speech. Celebrate small improvements and keep practicing consistently. By actively listening to and imitating native speakers, you'll gradually build a more natural, confident speaking style in English. 2. Think in English. Thinking in English is one of the best ways to improve fluency and confidence because it helps you avoid translating from your native language. The more you train your brain to process thoughts in English, the faster and more naturally you'll speak. Why it works. Removes translation delays. You won't waste time translating in your head before speaking. Improves fluency. Your sentences will come out more smoothly and naturally. Helps with vocabulary. Recall. You'll start remembering words more easily because you're using them directly. How to practice thinking in English. 1. Start with simple thoughts. Begin by thinking about your daily activities in English. Instead of thinking, saya harus membeli susu nanti, think, I need to buy some milk later. Describe what you're doing. I'm brushing my teeth. I need to find my keys. Narrate what's happening around you. The bus is late again. That coffee smells really good. 2. Use mental flashcards. When you see an object, name it in English instead of your native language. Example, if you see an apple, think apple instead of translating from your language. If you don't know the word, look it up and try to remember it for next time. 3. Have an inner conversation. Imagine talking to yourself in English. Example, if you're planning your day, think, what should I do first? Maybe I'll go to the gym, then get lunch. 4. Describe things in detail. Instead of just thinking, that's a nice dress, try expanding it. That's a nice red dress with floral patterns. It looks elegant and stylish. The more detail you add, the better your vocabulary and sentence building skills become. 5. Set a time to think in English. Choose a specific time each day to practice thinking in English. While getting ready in the morning, while walking or commuting. Before going to sleep, review your day in English. So use English for decision making. When making choices, think in English. Should I eat pasta or rice for dinner? I need to finish my work first, then I can watch a movie. 7. Challenge yourself to avoid your native language. When learning new words, define them in English instead of translating. Example, Instead of thinking apple a cappella, think an apple is a round fruit that is sweet and crunchy. Additional tips. Don't worry about mistakes. Even if you make errors in your thoughts, the key is to keep practicing. Speak what you think. If possible, say your thoughts out loud to get used to hearing your own voice in English. Be patient. At first you might struggle, but with practice it will feel more natural over time. Thinking in English is like training a muscle. The more you practice, the stronger and faster it gets. 3. Speak every day. Practice speaking aloud, even if you're alone. Talk to yourself about your day or describe what you're doing. Use voice recordings to check your pronunciation. 4. Learn common phrases and expressions. Use everyday phrases like, "What's up?" Casual greeting. "I'll get back to you. I will reply later." "That sounds great," agreeing with excitement. 5. Focus on pronunciation and intonation. Use apps like Elsa Speak, BBC Learning English, or Youglish to improve pronunciation. Pay attention to stress and rhythm in sentences. 6. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Making mistakes is part of learning. Confidence is more important than perfection. 7. Have conversations with others. Find a language partner or join English-speaking groups. Use apps like HelloTalk, Tandem, or Cambly to chat with native speakers. 8. Read aloud and shadowing. Read books, articles, or scripts out loud to improve fluency. Try shadowing, listen to a sentence, and repeat it immediately in the same tone. 9. Use simple and clear sentences. Speak slowly and clearly instead of rushing. Don't overcomplicate. Short and natural sentences sound more confident. 10. Stay consistent and have fun. Enjoy the learning process. Watch your favorite movies, TV shows, or podcasts in English. Practice a little every day to build confidence. Would you like help with specific situations like work, travel, or casual conversations? Thanks for watching till the end. I hope you find this video helpful and you can master English quickly. If you more about English learning tips and up-to-date English learning video tips, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button for more English learning tips, and we will put new great content every single day. And don't forget to give thumbs up and comment below if have some question. See you on the next video.